My dear friends, in this video, I will show you how I export a Word document in a portable document format, PDF. Instead of MS Word, you can print anything like a web page, words from Notepad, Excel worksheet, or virtually anything that directly don't allow you to save the file in PDF format. I will only show you the method of doing it. Many people have installed it on their computer and never use it. It is especially useful when you don't have a printer at home and you have to print it outside. If you have never opened OneNote before, then first, I recommend you to open it once. Now open the document you want to print. Go to Print and select Send to OneNote as your printer. If you want, you can adjust margins, page orientation, page type, etc. When you're ready, print the document. Microsoft OneNote will open automatically and ask you where do you want to keep your note. Simply choose one, and OneNote will open your file. Now is the final step. Go to File, Export, and choose the file format you want to export. I pick the PDF format. You can choose any other. Remember, now you don't need to make any page setup. In output already PDF that you have just exported. Simply hit the print command and take your print out. OneNote has many other features and this is just one of them. For this purpose only, you can also use other third-party application like Draw or PDF Writer. Hope this short tip is useful to you. See you in my next video. Have a great day.